Namaste everyone. As we all have started a journey of doing something related to gardening, and that too organic, for that little effort we have to take from our side. So instead of depending on or relying on the things which you have to source it from the market, we'll be very happy to tell you that these things, most of us, we can take it from our kitchen itself. So today we'll be making a fertilizer which is a very rich source of magnesium, sulfur, calcium, potassium to your plants, and once this is given to your plants, especially to the floral plants, the bloom will be really nice and it will stay for a longer time. And many things are there which we can make from these onion peels. I'll be showing you few. So from now onwards, try not throwing these in your bins and use it in a different ways. So now these are the peels. Once we remove the peels from the onions, these are the things for onions and garlic. Collect these peels. The easiest method is take a water and just soak these peels in this water and keep it overnight. Okay, so next morning, once it is soaked properly, next morning just take out these peels and put it in the dustbin, your kitchen composting bin what we have. So the peels will go in the composting bin, and the water what we have collected, that can be given to all the floral plants as a you can say a nutritionally rich water which makes your flowers really healthy and the blooms will be really good. This is the easiest method of giving this sulfur rich water to your plant. The next method is boiling these peels in the water. Now I had taken water and in that I had boiled these onions and garlic peels. So you can see the color. Okay, even if you don't boil, for this method what I have told you, after 24 hours if you see, the color will be something like this only. So in this case the water, if I'll put it in the glass, you can see it will be something this color. Okay, now this, there is no portion of dilution, this is already a diluted form only, but if you are giving regular nutrition to your plants, then you can take 1:1 ratio. So 1 part of this and 1 part of water you dilute it and then give it to each plant. This much quantity is more than sufficient for one plant. This is your onion peel which is boiled for almost 10 to 15 minutes. After that, cool it down, take out your peels and put it in your composting bin, the peels, and collect the water and give it to your plants. This is the second method. This also acts as a fertilizer. Now sometimes after taking so much of care, our plants sometimes get infected with aphids, mealybugs, that white color mealybugs or the black color aphids. So for that also this onion is really a miracle. So what you have to do for that, you have to take a complete one onion, 2 or 3 cloves of garlic, 2 to 3 chilies, red or green, whatever you have, you can take that, and just a small stick of cinnamon. Okay, you make a paste of this and mix it in water. So this much is good enough for 1 liter of water. After making a paste, grind it in a mixer, make a paste and mix it in 1 liter of water and then strain it. So once you strain it, it will be something like this. Okay, now this water you can spray to all your plants which are heavily infected with your aphids or mealybugs. This onion peels, either you use in the form of soaking overnight in water, or boiling in water, or making a paste with this, strain it and spraying to the water. So the more focus should be not in killing the insects, it should be insect repellent. We should repel the insects, we should not kill the insects. So if we do this process and this process timely, so there won't be any need for this. This is indirectly killing the pest. So it's a biodiverse thing, so we don't want to kill. But sometimes the plant is heavily infected, then we are left with no choice, so we have to go for this. So keeping this aside, concentrate more on this and this method, and regularly, you can say once in 15 days, if you give this to your plants, either this or this, your floral plants will be really you can say healthy, and the blooms will be really good. And apart from these floral plants also, this can be given to all the plants. You can spray it to all your plants to save them from any insect or pest attack, you can say. So it's really good. One more thing what you can do for this onion peels, this is a very good source of mulching. So any plant, you can do the mulching with this, as they are very light, they keep flying here and there, so you can cover it again with the soil so that they doesn't fly here and there. And gradually, as they decompose, the nutritional content in the peels, like your sulfur, your magnesium, calcium, it will be a slow release fertilizer, you can say, and your plant will be really healthy. As and when these peels are getting decomposed, continuously supply of these nutrients your plant is going to get, and there won't be any pest attack. And apart from the ants or rodents, they don't like the smell of onions and peels. So if you mulch it and keep regular spraying of these, your plant will be at least 70 to 80% will be saved from these pests. So thank you very much for joining me. So keep watching, many more videos to come. It will be really interesting. Thank you very much.